Did you ever got super frustrated when you're watching a YouTube video on your phone and the second you swipe it away or lock your screen, it just stops playing? You usually have to pay for a YouTube subscription to keep the video going in the background, but here's a cool trick for Samsung Galaxy users that'll save you some bucks. First up, grab your phone and open up Samsung Internet. Tap those three little lines, go to Settings, and then scroll down to Useful Features. In there, you'll find Background Play. Turn that baby on. Now, whenever you're watching a video on YouTube through Samsung Internet, like, say, the latest Venom trailer, you can just swipe the app away, and it'll keep playing. Yep, it won't skip a beat. You can even lock your screen, and it'll still be jamming away. And get this, when you check your lock screen, you can see the video player pop up there too. You can pause, play, or even skip ahead without unlocking your phone. How cool is that? Seriously, it's one of those sneaky features that makes your Galaxy experience way better. Follow me for more such tips.